you can. So guys, yesterday we have taken the trade of BTC, and even before yesterday we have taken the trade of BTC, and you can see that I have mentioned my BTC trade as well, so you can see my trade. But today we are talking and discuss new trade regarding Initia. Today Init has shown significant growth ranging from 0.39 to 0.58, which is huge. Analyzing its previous behavior, we can see that it's creating a trend line. Whenever it forms a support level and maintains it, the price tends to move towards the resistance level. For instance, when Init formed support and broke the resistance of 0.7 previously, it then maintained the support at 0.6 and formed a confluence few candles. After that, it moved up to 0.8 but failed to break the previous resistance. Recently, it reached 0.58 and formed a similar red candle, indicating a temporary reversal. This suggests that the price might drop again. We are currently maintaining support, and if we look at the short-term chart, we can see that it's broken the 0.53 level again. This is our cue to enter a short trade between 0.54, 0.55 and even 0.53. But there is a condition which I will mention. Our stop loss will be at 0.58 and our target will be attractive. If we analyze the trend line, we can see that Init is trading within a falling wedge pattern. It's consistently breaking the previous support and turning it into resistance. Our first target will be 0.47, which is a recent low as well. And our second target will be 0.38. We can expect the price to reach 0.38, but it might take some time. You can take half profit at 0.47. Our entry will be around 0.5 to 0.55 and our targets will be 0.47 and 0.38. Keep in mind that Init is trading within a falling wedge trend line, and it's essential to monitor the support and resistance levels. It is also indeed possible that when it breaks 0.38, it might fall to 0.3, which is also touching the same falling wedge trend line which I am talking about, and you can see on the screen as well. Our crucial point to note is that if Init fails to break the support of 0.53 again, our short entry will be cancelled. This means we will have to reevaluate the trade and look for another entry point if it did not break 0.53 before breaking 0.58. If the price moves up to 0.6 instead, our trade will be cancelled and we will look for another short entry around 0.58 or beyond. As I always mention, it is essential to understand the trend line and support resistance levels. If you have any questions regarding this trade, feel free to ask me in the chat. To make it easier for you to follow the trade, I have pinned the Init coin and you can trade directly from our live stream. If you want to ask me any question related to this trade, ask me, and don't forget to follow me to have the notification of my future live streams. And if we're talking about this trade, our risk to reward ratio is also very attractive. It is more than 3, which means if we spend $100, we will earn $3. Sorry, I mean $300 and even more. But if we take half profit, we are still in big and good profit. So this trade worth taking, and you can see that I have marked support resistance level regarding this trade, and you can see the risk to reward ratio as well.